Hello friends! Today we are going to learn amazing colors and enjoy coloring beautiful fruits together. Are you ready? Let's start our fun coloring adventure. First, we will start with the red color. Look, we have an apple. Apples are red in color, so let's carefully color the apple bright red. Wow, our apple looks fresh and delicious. Now let's find a fruit with yellow color. There are many yellow fruits, but today we will choose a banana. Bananas are sweet and yellow, so let's color the banana nicely with bright yellow color. Great job! Next, we will look for a green-colored fruit. Yes, we found a pear. Pears are green and very healthy. Let's color the pear perfectly with green color. It looks so beautiful. Now it is time to find a purple-colored fruit. Can you guess it? Yes, it's grapes. Grapes are small, juicy, and purple. Let's color the grapes carefully with purple color. Amazing work! Next, we have an orange. Do you know which color we should use? Of course, orange color. Let's color the orange fruit. Bright orange. Wow, it looks so tasty. Do you like oranges? Now let's search for a blue-colored fruit. Yes, we found blueberries. Blueberries are tiny and blue. Let's color the blueberries with beautiful blue color. Fantastic! Next, we got a dragon fruit. Dragon fruit has a lovely pink color. Let's color it carefully with bright pink. Wow, it looks super cool and colorful. Now it's time to color the kiwi. Kiwi has brown skin on the outside, so let's use brown color for it. Very nice. Our kiwi looks perfect. Finally, do you know the color of plum? Yes, plums can have a brown shade too. Let's color the plum carefully. Wow! All the fruits are now colorful and beautiful.